Sizwe South Africa nonke lapha enikhona udokotela uKhehlelezi ngihleli noZikode inyanga. Hey, bengifikile kuyena ngithi ize esigodlweni sakhe ndoda. Ake sibonisane naye indaba la ngomntwana uCwecwe. Hey, amathamba akhuluma enye into. South Africa ke men, amathamba akhuluma enye into. Ngicela le video niyithathe. Iye kubani Zikode, kumele iye kubani le video straight. Uma ka Makacwecwe straight. Siyacela Makacwecwe number yami ka WhatsApp ithi 071 130 7808. Thatha uCwecwe uthathe wena. Uthi esigodlweni. Khona into ezothusa iSouth Africa yonke. I-answer siphumile.
Ayiphumile futhi.
Ayi, cash sizinyanga sihleli. Asifuna ngigijima netrend kodwa i-answer iphumile yodidi South Africa yonke. I thank you. Sasakithi South Africa. Ake sibuyeleni ku drawing board, sibuyele phansi. And also analyze the analysts. I'm inviting them all of them now. Ukuthi mina as uKhehlelezi bengichaza ukuthini mangithi South Africa will be shocked. And I still say even today it is Friday the 4th of April. I'm asking for uMama kaCwecwe to come and visit me esigodlweni, and ngizophinde ngisho lento, it will end up being there. Mama kaCwecwe, I still say my number 071 130 7808. There is something that I want to say is when South Africa tool in life singabosheshe sijudge as abelaphi bendabuko, as a prophet. You need to respect us, abakamoya. You can criticize, you can say whatever you want to say, but I still say I've got my answer. Yeah, sure futhi ngiyaphinda ngiyakusho lokho. Maybe I can say today at 9 p.m. I'll be live on TikTok. Dr. K503. Those who know me from church, they will tell you. Now, Sunday, so when you corner esontweni Verulam, you just put it on your Google, Nyangayo Tumumzo, it will take you straight esontweni.
It seems like a case it's the hardest case to solve yafana njena nayasenzo meyo, because just when we think ukuthi siyibambile culprit vele siphunyukele nje etandleni uthi Dr. Khehlelezi uqala ukuthi makwaqala kwamthinze efonini akune something lafuna kumtshela yona about the case yaCwecwe that will shock her. So sonke siyadibude ukuthi yini le Dr. Khehlelezi lafuna kuyitshela uMaqoqo, because it seems like kukhona into lebalekile, because solo ndama video uqela abantu ukuthi baqela anike Maqoqo inamba yakhe uMaqoqo amfonele. I saw that atokona kumtshela lo afuna kumtshela yona mayilana necase yaCwecwe. Ngabe lokho kusho ukuthi case yaCwecwe ito solve kuma Khehlelezi sakhulume lento lafuna kumtshela yona kuMaqoqo. And guys, siyabona ukuthi at this point even Maqoqo yena angena noma ngabe yini guys ukuthi le case isolve, because hey iyindida uLungu naye ngalama results akabuya negative, wonke umuntu ukhetheka negative. Solo selene ligama elilodwa lesimena lo ukuthi ngibani lodlengwe young Cwecwe. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I am signing out. Goodbye.